Today we are going to be doing 5.9's Ready, Set, Go. Topic, matching definitions of geometric figures. Match the name of the figure with its geometric definition. So here is my biggest hint to you if you do not remember this. I would really recommend using Google and looking up the words isosceles triangle and what matches with that, rectangle and what matches with that, equilateral triangle and what matches, rhombus, scalene triangle, square, right triangle, trapezoid. And you try to do your best on answering 1 through 8 with the matching. Set. Solving systems of equations by elimination. Solves each system of equations using elimination of a variable. Check your solution. So we are going to be doing elimination. So for elimination, what you want to see is something crossed off. And they're very close, the 2x and the 2x, but they're not opposite. So you need to put parentheses around this, put a -1 in front, and distribute it to each thing. -1 times 2x is -2x. -1 times y is minus y. -1 times 3 is -3. So now we're going to cross off the -2x. Now we just add up the columns. 2y minus y gives you 1y equals 2 minus 3 is -1. Great. Divide by 1, divide by 1. Y equals -1. We're halfway there. Now you need to plug that in and solve for x. So we have 2x minus y equals 3 because minus 1 because the y is -1. Now we solve it like an equation. Plus 1 plus 1. 2x equals 4. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So x equals 2. So now you have your answer. Again, remember it always goes x and then it goes y. So it's 2, -1. So try to do 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 on your own. For go, we have to identify which one's a function and which one is not a function. And we have taught you a test to explain if it's a function or not. So remember, we're using that vertical line test. And if it only goes through the graph one time, it is a function. So you just want to make tons of these vertical lines. And so we know function passes vertical line test. So try to do 16, 17, 18, 19.